How to delete Facebook account permanently. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and on today's video we will learn how we can delete Facebook account permanently. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. First of all, launch the Facebook application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your account that you want to delete. After that, head towards the top right from the home page. There you will find your profile icon with three-line icon. Now from here again, head towards settings icon, tap on it. On the settings and privacy, tap on Meta account center section at the top. Once you land on this kind of interface, scroll down a bit and under account settings, you have to tap on personal details. Now again, from this page, head over to the last option, that is account ownership and control, tap on it. Now there you'll find an option as deactivation or deletion, tap on it. Now then you have to select your Facebook account, then select the second option, delete account. After that, tap on continue. Here it says all your pages and additional Facebook profile will also be deleted. Confirm it and then tap on continue. Now before you delete, you have to provide your valid reason. So from here, select the reason why you want to delete your Facebook account. Then tap on continue. Now again tap on continue. Make sure to read all of this information given here. Once the deletion process begins, you won't be able to reactivate your account or retrieve any of the content or information that you have added. So if you want to delete, scroll down and now tap on continue. Now for the verification, you have to re-enter your Facebook password. So type in your password, then tap on continue. It says once you schedule your account for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your account and cancel the deletion. After 30 days, the deletion process will begin and you won't be able to retrieve any of the content or the information you have added. So in order to delete your account permanently, from here tap on delete account. After that, after the 30 days, your account will be deleted permanently. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.